Maybe you feel life is not fair. Maybe you complain life is not just. Maybe you feel life is not easy. Let me assure you, life is the easiest, the fairest, and the most complete game that you are playing with yourself across time and space.
One of the strange peculiarities of human nature is how we keep trying to seek answers from outside the system, when in reality, we actually have within us everything that we could possibly need. For the human system, everything starts with a thought. A thought is the most basic building block in this universe. If you can think about something, it is completely possible to get there.
Life is neither right nor wrong. It is what it is, and it's different for different people. If there are belief systems that are not working for you, but that's what you believe you are, it's high time that you did something about it.
One of the most awesome zones to be in life is to be able to do what you would love to do with people you would love to be with, and even better, have everybody around you loving you for doing just that.